Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to import samples into GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it up, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, where we can get started with finding all the instruments we can use for recording sound, like a keyboard, drums, we can plug in a guitar and so on. So for today's video I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use it in audio recording. Even though it works the same for any option that you choose, I'm just going to open up audio recorder right here, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this menu. This is the recording menu, where we can get started with recording ourselves. We can go ahead and get started with adding any effects, plugins we want to use and so on. But let's go ahead and see how to use and import samples for your tracks. Basically, the first thing we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner and click on the edit mode. The edit mode is going to open up right here, which is also the mixing mode, where you can start seeing all the tracks that you have and where you can get started with mixing up your music. And in the upper right corner now is going to appear a button that's going to enable us to add our samples. So guys, you can see here we can go ahead and use the Apple loops. These are already pre-made loops and samples that we are given by Apple, where you can go ahead and find something you want to use and that you want to import into your track, or just go to the files option, and here we can start browsing items that we have on our phone. So if you click browse items, it's going to open up our files app, where we can find any sample or beat that we have that we can just click on, and it's going to add it right here, and now we can drag and drop it into our mixing studio and get started with using that sample. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.